Guys, today we're testing some real lesson videos that I never made Lego. I guess let's go. Okay, first we just listen the animatronic. This is an animatronic. His name is J-Wap the Elvis. Okay, it is this guy found this ugly animatronic. Oh, there you go. And this guy found this animatronic in 2018 and he's been attacked. When he said we're give it a fight, and he said, "Yo, let's give it a fight." And he said, "One and ten, oh, she kind of one ten." Oh, this one, this is. So he got a giant menace when he's a stick and punched him in the neck, in the vest, and the button again. Now he said it's gone. And he defeated the animatronic and he was the winner. He said, "Yay, I won. And the animatronic was lost and he's innocent. He get the head of his and his driver's car. I need to drive in my car. Or I will sit in my car. With he say he's gonna stay in his car and he said, "Wow, I really want to see how he this." He said the ugly beast, not nice. Or could I said this is the give up guy is dead, no? And he's just holding his head, and even this happens, but now he's holding his head. Now the disaster is still alive, and he did this to him. Oh crap! He got this in bow. He got spin this in bow. Now he's dead. His bomb is dead now, bro. I got something weird. There you go. Now I'm gonna tell you how to build the giraffe. First, you need to put his legs. No. How to build giraffe? First, you got his head. Then snap it with this thing. There you go. See? And then snap it this one. See? And now put it in what's his body? What's his body? Oh, his body's right here all along. Okay. Now you need to put his tail over here. And now you had to put the legs. And then you got the whole body. Then you had to put his other leg, not this. There you go. And boom! That's how you got him. And I will teach you how to defeat animatronics. First, you got a giant bag full with punch pop and or royal, I think, and you got a giant essence stick with Harry Potter, and do like the animatronics you defeated, like in first in his the top of the neck, the down of the neck, and you just again and again. If the animatronic said it's gone, you've defeated the animatronic. If it is still alive, you have to do the same. if that thing didn't work, you need to get your car over it and follow him and boom, 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 boom. And he's still alive. If he's still alive, you can do this. Yay, I won. Yay, I won. If the animatronics is down, you can put them back. Whoa. Okay, now to put it back. Okay, guys, if you like the video, like and subscribe to my channel, like and share in this video, and like and subscribe. Bye bye.